Hi, this is Janelle Penny. I'm the editor-in-chief of Buildings, and we're here in the SitOnIt showroom at NeoCon. As you can see and hear, it's hopping in here. And we are sitting on SitOnIt's entry in product innovations this year, Paséa. What can you tell me about Paséa, guys?
It is an all-encompassing collection. It's highly versatile, and it solves for modularity, comfort, active seating for work minutes away from the desk, and the ability to configure rectilinear, curvilinear, straight models, as well as freestanding ottomans. This was specifically designed to be highly durable with the thermoform plastic base that's available.
Oh, I see.
It's meant to invite people to enjoy sitting and working and collaborating in high traffic areas.
Very cool. And so earlier you were telling me that this is a particularly good fit for healthcare and was it higher ed because of how durable it is? What is the maintenance like in a high traffic, high abuse environment like that?
So the goal with this one was to solve a need for lounges that go all the way to the ground. The common issue we see when we walk in spaces with lounges of this type, the bottom of the units gets scuffed, heel marks from the cleaning mops, from vacuum cleaners, and by adding a durable base that's made of TPU, same material that's used for car bumpers, now somebody can rub their heels and not destroy the furniture. The second thing we did, the whole front of the unit is curved, it's tapered in, and the base is inset, so that gives you more room for your heels. What that does when you get out of the chair, so let's say you're in a healthcare application, it makes it much easier to lift your weight up, as opposed to having your legs away and trying to find an arm to